What are 7 ways to make your presentation more interesting? Let's find out. By the way, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Don't wait. Tip number 1, use props. You gotta ask yourself, what kind of props could I bring to my presentation that would really get my message across? You know, for example, if you want them to be more efficient, more productive, maybe you bring a calendar and you use the calendar as a prop, as an example. Or another example, if you want them to keep learning, keep improving as a team, maybe you bring your latest book that you read and that you loved and you explain it a little bit. Another example, let's say you want to build a new system and you really got to build it up step by step by step. You could bring some Lego. Again, there's so many options, but props really increase interest. Number 2, ask questions. How many of you would love to earn more money? And ask for a show of hands. Who would love to improve their energy? Right? Who wants to build a better system? So hook them, because questions hook the mind. They bring the audience in. They make everything more interesting. Number 3, use photos on your slides. First of all, you gotta have slides, right? Why is that? Because most audience members will probably be visual learners, or at least a big chunk, a big percentage of them. So you gotta have photographs, visuals, images. Now here's the key. When you choose them, they have to create an emotional reaction. Something that have to be shocking, surprising, they have to create laughter. No boring pictures allowed. Number 4, show headlines. One of the easiest ways to create interest is to show headlines of shocking, famous articles that you find online. You simply take a screenshot of it, you put it on your slides, you show it to your audience. It will support your message and it will make your presentation more interesting. Number 5, share some interesting facts, right? What is a fact that the audience might be interested in? It could be something like this. 78% of our customers prefer the color red. That's what our research has shown. Again, think about what facts could be interesting for your audience. Number 6, tell stories, right? You want to become especially good at telling short stories, because a little story can influence an audience better than anything else. Also, it creates more interest. So for example, for me, instead of telling you why you should master presentation skills, I could tell you a short story, right? A short story of how has presentation skills benefited me in my life when I overcame it and mastered that skill. For you as well, think about what short story can you share in your presentation. Number 7, tell jokes. But whoa, big warning here, big warning here. If you're not funny or you're nervous about being funny or not funny, don't do it. Simply don't do it, okay? Or you can laugh about yourself and that could work too. That could make it interesting, all right? But again, if you use jokes, you should be quite funny. But if you're good, amazing, amazing. Humor and telling jokes. Nothing is more interesting for an audience. And overall, a final tip here, have fun, have fun. If you have fun, your audience will know it. And audiences love presenters who enjoy themselves. If you enjoy your presentation, there's a much higher chance that they will enjoy it too. So comment down below one time, which are the 2 or 3 tips that you can use right away to make your next presentation more interesting? Which ones do you want to use? Share it with me down below. Again, if you haven't done it yet, hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And most importantly, I really look forward to seeing you for the next video.